In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a document in Clio Manage. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm all the details so your files are easy to find and correctly linked to the right matter. Start by opening the Documents area. From the left navigation menu in Clio Manage, click Documents. This is your central library, where you can store, search, and organize files. If your firm uses folders or naming conventions, take a moment to note where you plan to place the file so everything stays consistent and tidy. Next, look to the top right corner and click New. A small drop-down will appear. Choose Upload Files. This opens your computer's file picker, so it helps to have the document saved and ready on your desktop or in a clearly labeled folder. Select the document you want to upload from your computer. If you're handling multiple related items, you can start with one file for clarity and add others in a moment. After choosing the file, Clio will present a panel where you can review and confirm the document details. Take a moment to verify or update the file name so it's descriptive and consistent with your firm's standards. Select the correct matter so the document is tied to the right case or client. Set the received date to reflect when the document came in, which helps with timelines and searching later. Choose a category if your firm uses them to group documents by type, like pleadings, correspondence, or invoices. Finally, confirm the author field to reflect who created or is responsible for the document. These fields improve search results and ensure everyone on your team understands the document's context. If you have more files to include, click Add another file. This lets you attach multiple documents in one go. As you add them, glance over the details for each file to make sure the matter and other fields are correct. Consistency here will save time later. When everything looks right, click Upload. Depending on file size and your connection, this may take a moment. Avoid navigating away until the upload completes. To verify the upload, confirm that the document appears in the Documents section. You can sort by date or use the search bar to locate it quickly. If something looks off, you can update the document's details later so it's properly organized. That's it. Your document is now uploaded and ready for your team. Thanks for watching.